Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna one-time card on Amazon. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Klarna and tap on the search bar. Then enter Amazon to see the Amazon website. Now, click on Amazon and if you see the desktop website or the website is bigger, refresh the page by tapping the last button in the search bar. Then sign in. So you must sign in on Amazon to place orders. You can do so now by clicking the sign in at the top or later before paying the order. Now, after you sign in, simply search for the product that you want to buy and pay by using Klarna one-time card. Add it in the cart, then navigate to cart. Click on proceed to checkout on Amazon in Klarna. Now, the total cart amount at this point will be shown, and if you don't know the delivery cost, insert the cart amount, then Klarna will charge you whatever you end up spending. Now, step 5 is adding a payment method on Amazon in the Klarna app. So click on add payment method button. Now, on the next screen, you will see the payment option. Find and click on add a payment option button, then tap on the add a credit or debit card. Now, you will see pay with Klarna option in Klarna. You will see the card details. Simply click on Pay with Klarna button at the bottom and inserting the Amazon purchase amount in the Klarna app. Now the next step is inserting the Amazon purchase amount in Klarna app. So Klarna should detect the card payment. If it doesn't or want to include in the delivery charges, edit this amount. Ensure this amount is no more than your spending limit, otherwise Klarna will give you an error. So simply click on Continue. You will see a review screen. The screen will show the plan and the total spending amount. Tap on Continue. Now, the second plan review screen will appear. This time it will show you the repayment card. Click confirm and continue. Now, if Klarna declines, there can be multiple reasons. But on the next step, you will see the generated card in the bottom row. So, basically generate digital card in Klarna app first and you will see the generated card in the bottom row. Tap on each piece of information to copy and paste it into the relevant option. I also recommend remembering the last 4 digits of this card to remove it from the payments later. Now once the card has been added, the website will return to the payment method screen. Ensure the newly added card is selected, scroll down and tap continue. Scroll down and check for the final amount and your delivery address. You will find the place your order button on the top and the bottom. Click that button to place your order. And Amazon will use your Klarna one-time card to complete the order. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.